Welcome to MVP Auto Pro, the place where innovation meets performance, and where we explore the most extreme machines ever engineered. Today's video takes us into uncharted territory with a machine that no one saw coming, the 2025 Super Ferrari bike. That's right, Ferrari, the Italian icon of speed and racing perfection, has entered the world of two wheels. After decades of dominating Formula One and designing world-class hypercars, Ferrari has finally unveiled a motorcycle concept that redefines the word superbike. Buckle up, because this isn't just a bike, it's a revolution on two wheels. The beginning of a new era. Why Ferrari built a bike. Ferrari has never built a production motorcycle before. For years, the brand remained laser-focused on four-wheeled excellence. But as the lines between automotive and motorcycle technology blur, and as electric powertrains and AI systems evolve, Ferrari saw an opportunity, not to join the motorcycle market, but to reinvent it entirely. Enter the 2025 Super Ferrari bike, a hybrid of hyperbike power, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and signature Ferrari styling. Born from F1 engineering and infused with MotoGP-level performance, this bike is a limited-edition engineering showcase. A symbol of what happens when the world's most famous performance brand decides to go all in on two wheels. Design, sculpted by speed, forged in passion. The design of the 2025 Ferrari bike is nothing short of breathtaking. It's not just sleek, it's a sculpture in motion. The bodywork is made entirely of aerospace-grade carbon fiber, with wind tunnel-shaped surfaces inspired directly by Ferrari's F1 cars. Every curve, fin, and vent is functional, channeling air for cooling, downforce, and high-speed stability. The aggressive front fascia features ultra-thin LED matrix lights and an F1-style air intake, while the tail tapers sharply into a race-style single seat. The underbelly exhaust and active aero wings give it an exotic, race-ready stance. Finished in Rosso Corsa red with black and gold accents, the bike carries Ferrari's DNA in every detail. From the prancing horse badge on the tank to the 5-spoke magnesium wheels modeled after Ferrari's GT cars. Engine and performance, the heart of a beast. Now let's talk power. At the core of the 2025 Ferrari bike is a 999 cubic centimeters V4 engine, co-developed with engineering teams from MotoGP and Ferrari's Formula One division. This engine revs to an astonishing 15,000 RPM. Delivering over 240 horsepower, numbers usually reserved for full-blown track bikes. What makes this bike even more revolutionary is the integration of a hybrid electric assist system. At low speeds, an electric motor provides instant torque and smooth acceleration. At high speeds, it supports the combustion engine for an extra power boost and seamless corner exits. Acceleration? A blistering 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.1 seconds. Top speed? Ferrari claims it exceeds 350 km per hour, placing it in elite territory alongside the fastest motorcycles ever built. This isn't just a sport bike, it's a hyperbike in every sense of the word. Handling, Formula One engineering on two wheels. Where most motorcycles focus on either power or handling, Ferrari delivers both in perfect balance. The chassis is a monocoque carbon fiber frame, offering incredible rigidity and ultralight weight. The suspension is an electronically adjustable Öhlins setup, constantly monitored and tuned by onboard sensors in real time. The 2025 Ferrari bike features active aerodynamics, including deployable front wings and rear flaps that adjust automatically at speed, providing extra downforce in corners and enhanced braking stability. Brembo GP spec brakes with carbon ceramic rotors ensure track-level stopping power, while the intelligent traction and wheelie control systems allow riders to push the bike with confidence and precision. Technology, the future of superbikes. Ferrari didn't just bring speed to the table. They brought smart systems that set new standards for motorcycle tech. The cockpit features a fully digital curved HUD visor display, which projects telemetry data, GPS, lean angle, and ride modes directly into the rider's helmet. There's also a gesture-controlled interface on the tank and voice command AI integration. Riders can choose between different ride modes, including race, track, urban, and eco-hybrid, each adjusting power delivery, suspension, aero behavior, and braking response. The onboard AI, called Cavallino Assist, analyzes your riding style and road conditions to continuously adjust the bike's settings, like having a virtual F1 pit crew riding with you. Exclusivity, limited, legendary, and luxurious. The 2025 Super Ferrari bike isn't just a concept, it's a limited-run production masterpiece. Only 50 units worldwide will be manufactured, each handcrafted in Maranello and individually numbered. Buyers will be selected through Ferrari's invitation-only client list, and each bike will be delivered with a personalized carbon fiber helmet, riding suit, and Ferrari's full telemetry monitoring package. The price? Ferrari hasn't revealed it officially, but insiders estimate each unit will cost around $750,000 to $1 million, positioning it as one of the most expensive production motorcycles ever made. But this bike isn't just a ride, it's a collector's dream, a rolling work of art, and a historic moment in Ferrari's legacy. Final thoughts: a new chapter in performance. The 2025 Super Ferrari bike isn't about practicality. It's not designed to be parked outside coffee shops or used as a daily commuter. It's a vision of what's possible, a marriage of F1 technology, MotoGP aggression, and Ferrari's unrivaled passion for speed. It proves that even after decades of dominating the automotive world, Ferrari can still surprise us, not by copying others, but by creating something bold, unique, and wildly ambitious. For those lucky enough to own one, it won't just be a motorcycle, it will be a piece of history on two wheels. Outro: subscribe to MVP Auto Pro. Thanks for joining us today on MVP Auto Pro for this deep dive into the incredible 2025 Super Ferrari bike, a machine that redefines limits and dreams. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another update on future superbikes, exotic concepts, and next-gen riding machines. More innovation is always around the corner, and we'll be here to ride through it with you. Stay fast, stay inspired, and keep watching MVP Auto Pro.